airplane. I'm in this like airplane. It's like netherrack and all stuff. Huh? Oh, wait, no. You're still here. Of course you would. You're still gonna be like where you were on left in the wall. Anyways, I was making. Why? Why, man? I'll come to you. Cause you're getting lost in this awesome. What? You're lost? What? Wait, you were lost? Sorry. Okay, no, I thought. All up on. Yeah, this way works. It's what? I don't get it. What? What's that? Oh. You're reading the wrong words. This is in Spanish, man. This stuff has Spanish. You can't see because you're in the way. Yes. You want to see that? Here. Yup. Whoa, this is awesome. Oh, wait. No, never mind. Actually, no, never mind. It's actually not. Seriously, it's actually not. Never mind. Sure. Just give me a second to play, okay? Yeah, I'm coming. Just let me explore one more time, okay? Okay? Wait, can you come up here? Okay, never mind. I'm coming down. What'd you do? No way. Not if you break my airplane. Ooh. Ooh. Fine, here. Have the gray wool. Actually, have the gray. It's a good thing I have 64 pretty much almost everything. Later, now I'm gonna explore the plane. I already explored that plane. Alright, good luck because it takes forever to break that stuff. Oh, it's clay. I mean, it'll take forever to break with the fist at least. Ooh, wait. Why is it so bright? Okay, where am I? Oh, hey, look, I found the accessories. Ooh, what is this place? What is this place? I don't really know. Is this like where a cinema would be? Oh, I think that's what that is. A cinema. I'm pretty sure they were trying to say cinema. Alright, what's this place? Is this a cafeteria? Oh, wait, what's in the furnaces? Dang it, no. That'd be nice to have some food in there. I know that for sure they cannot hear what you just said. I don't even know how to leave this place anymore. Like, where are you? Are you on the second floor? Alright, I'm on the second floor. I'm actually third floor. I have no clue if you're on the second or third. I think you're coming though. I see your gamer tag. Oh, here you are. Nope, you're on the third. Yep. Oh, no stuff. It's just like a cinema and all that stuff. I actually didn't go here yet. Well, you think that this is where you could like pilot the place thing? Wait. There's so much to explore here, and you kind of scared me. Oh, here's a bedroom. What? Fly it. Fly it, right? Because he said drive it. I'm coming. It's just my hunger's so low. I'm like, it's taking me forever. Huh? I can't run, dude. I'm really hungry. Okay. Oh yay! Get up. We're on the flag stretch. We're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. Oh my god. The bee pilot. wish that like if I ever went on an airplane, I wish that their airplanes like this. Seriously. My hunger's really low, so if you're gonna get some food, could you bring me some? Cause that'd be nice. Oh yeah. I just found a way to get down, dude. Dude, wait, you actually you passed it. Wait, was I here? Oh, I heard it. I kind of want to explore every single thing. Alright, I know this. Cool. Wait, I already been here. Oh, wait. No, this is the first floor. So, yeah, we were on the second floor. Yep, I didn't even notice. Wait, have I ever been in here? Wait, no, I haven't been in here. Whoa, I don't think I have. No, I haven't. Maybe you have, but I haven't. We just put some wool. Yeah, I feel it. I thought you were gonna say, we have. I'm like, no, we haven't. But, yeah, I was just about to leave. Oh, yeah. We gotta find food first. And then we gotta get back in here, because there's gonna be, like, mobs. And, by the way, if you think something hit you, you actually just fell. Wait, I need to scratch my back. Oh, man. Uh-oh, my screen. Okay, never mind. I see a spider. I'm still here. Oh, my God, I'm so hungry. No, I'm not. I'm just looking for something to kill. I'm playing some blow. An Enderman? You see an Enderman? I don't know why he just likes to call it Sunderman. He pronounces some things wrong. Yes, he does. I'm not. Wait, a skeleton horse? Oh, wait, you know about that new mod? I mean, not mod, like, update? Like how there's special horses? Paper, don't explode. Uh-oh. What's going on? I'm picking up. Uh-oh, where am I? I'm on, like, some star thing. I want to pause this and then go. You did find a skeleton horse. I found a skeleton horse. I'm going to try to ride it. Terminator was killed by a creeper. I mean, a spider. It's all Diamond Ore. Don't judge me. Ow! Oh, there you are, me. And you know what? I don't need that stuff anymore. Jacob, do you still have the wool? Do you have the wool? No? I don't have all my stuff anymore. Plus, there's a big zombie coming for you. I'm hitting you. There's a baby zombie. Oh, okay. Oh no, there's a zombie. Let me help you. Oh no, they killed you. I'm trying, man. These things. These stupid big. What the freak? There's like 2 spiders coming out of nowhere. You coward. Oh god, now there's a skeleton. What the freak? What is going on? I'm at like a half heart. Legit. No! Right when I was eating a rotten flesh, a spider just came out of nowhere. I see you. I hope they eat you alive. I see that zombie coming after you. I'm not going to help you. I'm just going to watch you suffer. I don't care. I'm going to watch you suffer. Yeah, you left me? Fine, I'll help you. And by the way, my game is glitching so much, I'm getting attacked by something else. Zombie. By zombie. Ow. You spider. Oh my god, that's it. I'm just going to fight back. I don't know why I keep on spawning in the air. Okay, hey, skeleton. You want to die, sucker? Woo. Miss. Oh god. Oh, he's trying to come at me. Oh god, an Enderman. Come on, Enderman, let's fight. Enderman. Forget you, spider. You go get it. Enderman, die. Oh god, I just hit an Enderman. Spider. And a baby zombie. Come on, buddy. Why? Whoa. That Enderman, like, walking so creepy. I'm used to teleporting. Oh god. I'm freaking out. Oh god, I can't move anymore. Oh god. Enderman, stay back. Don't teleport, buddy. Don't think about it, or else I will look at you in the eyes. Oh god. Ow. Oh, I didn't get hit. No! Dang it. Did I die by an Enderman? Oh no, by a spider. Oh hey. No! My god, stop freaking out. You deserve that hit. And now there's a zombie. And a zombie. Yo, the zombie's going after you. When I punch it, it keeps on getting farther to you. I mean, closer to you. It's like I'm knocking it towards you. Go to him. Go to Terminator. Go to Terminator. I'm just kidding. I killed it. I'm just kidding. I killed it. Don't worry. I'll punch you with this rotten flesh. Wait, what hit me? Oh, skeleton shot me. I'm out of here. Okay, Jacob, we have to have each other's backs, okay? We have to get each other's backs. Alright, I'm gonna, like, kind of pause this video real quick because I don't want to waste all the time, so let me pause it. I'm right behind you. That's how we knew that. Alright, guys, we're back. Things are getting pretty crazy, and they're still getting pretty crazy. Plus, I'm punching the zombies near you. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get them away, though. I'm not doing it on purpose. Yo, his eyebrows, though. Those eyebrows. Thank you, please. Oh, God, be careful, though, because I think I saw a mob behind you. Something like that. Sure, but wait, there's an Enderman. Yo, Enderman, I'm looking at you, sucker. Looking at you. Ow. Nope, I just died. I got blown up by a creeper. Yep, Spark was blown up by a creeper. Hey, Enderman, I see your purple eyes. Dang, Jacob, be careful. Let me help you. You actually died? Oh, no. Don't worry, dude, I'm gonna help you. I'm backing them off. I can't get them off. Yeah, a little. So they should burn soon. I'm not really doing a good job of backing them off. Yes, well, wait, are you far away? Yep, I killed him. And Nori, Jacob, you're far away. Let me eat this. Yep. Woohoo! I got some food from the zombies, so we're doing really good. Yo, Jacob. Oh yeah, I forgot that sometimes they could drop carrots or even potatoes. Yeah, that's right, guys. We survived it. Right now, I only have one rotten flesh. Well, I'm gonna eat it. And there's another zombie. Please give me something good. Huh? Guys, we survived the night of the mob apocalypse. That's right, where it's like mobs everywhere. It's like an apocalypse. We don't go in no flame. We actually didn't. It's weird because I told you. But Jacob, you totally were. Oh yeah, I got some chickens. Wait, you had an ant? I mean, you had an egg? It's an ant? Oh, because it's really rare that you would get that. Let me kill this chicken. It's not the baby one, so go ahead. I wish I could cook this. Oh, I see the baby chicken. Let me kill the other chicken. Sorry, baby chicken, when you're watching this, but once you grow older, once you're an adult, it's time for me to kill you, too. You didn't hear that. Wait, you didn't hear that, did you? Because I had like some outside. What? They're meant for being eaten by. Okay, fine, I won't eat it. But I see the baby chicken wobbling. Wait, what? That Enderman? Can you say, okay, I was gonna say, can you say Enderman for me, please? But thank you. Wait, okay, I was gonna say, if there's water, how come we can't go through it? Jacob! Yo, I'm gonna swim up in the water and then see if I can attack the mob. So, when they come at us, we can just swim in the water. We'll be safe. You see me up here? Wait, look up. Look up, you see me? I'm just like swimming in here. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, there's a spider. I'm gonna attack him with a bone. No, a bone. Not a bow and arrow. A bone. Huh? Oh, that's so awesome. I thought it was just like some regular water wall. Not regular, but it's a water. Somehow they must like block all the water and then built this land. This must take them forever. Unless it was just some weird automatic. Well, okay, to be honest, I was gonna punch you off for fun. But apparently I didn't have to. Wait, can I knock the spider off here? Oh my god, that means that they're mad. He's gonna kill you then. That means he's gonna try and teleport to you and then kill you. Dude, you better run. You better run. Wait, did they have his like mouth like this? Like other, oh god. Oh god, that means he's gonna try and kill you. No, dude, that's because you made him mad. Wait, you know that water, actually, like, Endermen hate water, so they teleport away from it? Jacob, you know that water kills Endermen, right? Yeah. So the water will protect you. Come on, Enderman, I want to kill you. Come on. Enderman. Be fun. Ooh, there's some arrows and bowman arrows. I see him. I'm trying to get to him, but he keeps on like teleporting away. Don't you teleport away from me now. Oh, he just actually took damage. What a stupid Enderman, because he just went in the water. Wait, what the heck? You're like doing the replay thing. Yeah, that's right. I hit you. Whoa. It looks like you just have some regular small squared head. Ow. Yeah, that's right, dude. I'm in the water. And yet, yeah, the body. It's like, where am I? I'm fighting an Enderman right now. Yeah, that's right. I'm in the water, brosif. Back off, brosif. That's right. Your head just popped back off. I'm aiming for you. Oh god. Same here. I have like 2.5 hearts, and I'm batting an Enderman. And when they attack you, they take like half of your health. Little Terminator down. That's like the most embarrassing way to die. In front of people. Okay. Oh wait, no, it's an arrow. Oh, I just punched him in the water, and he took loads of damage. I think. Haha, loser. Wait, no, loser probably, but still, haha. Oh god, that's just embarrassing. Technically I was in the water and then I just came out and I legitly fell right in front of the Enderman. If that Enderman laughed, I swear to God, I'd punch him. I'd be like, nah. Oh, wait, I know where the Enderman still is. He's still over there.
I see an Enderman and a bunch of other stuff.
You do? Fight the Enderman. That's what I'm doing. Plus, I see all my stuff where I died. Oh, I forgot I picked up an egg. That's right, Enderman. I just punched you into the water. Who's this? Do you mean Jesus? Oh, I just killed the Enderman. Nope, but I think you mean Jesus, dude. I'm just confused. I have no clue who Zeus is. And if people are watching and knows who Zeus is, I'm sorry. I'll look it up. Nice job. Oh, wanna know why? Cause the map creator that made this map, the creator, they had all that stuff and they went to sleep and they must have kept it in the inventory. So when I played, when I logged on, I had this stuff, but when I died, I guess it all fell out my inventory. Yeah. Okay, wait, can I have a bed, please? Can I have a bed? Yeah. First the bed. No, seriously, first the bed. Too bad, then. Can I give you that bed? Nope, give me the bed. First, how about this? First you place down the bed. First you throw the bed and I throw the food. I probably can't upload this anymore because now it's been more than 15 minutes. That might be the problem. Jacob. Yes, I do. And I'm gonna throw this down here. Alright, I'm throwing it down. Yeah. Alright, it's coming. Wait. Dang it. Okay, it's coming. There you go. Okay, I was just about to eat this too. Okay. Alright, and what is that? There it is. Alright. I saw a pig over there. And over there. I'm gonna go to school.
Oh my god, I know what happened. I see that used to be mine, that, and that. Yeah, that's cool.
Okay. Come here, spider. You give up a second. Jacob, come here. Fine, and stay there. Wait, where are you? Wait, it's a airplane. It's not even a ship, man. Are you blind? Do you not know what that is? It's a ship, no. It's a ship. Ooh, I can get hungry now. I'm hungry. Wait, is that you? Are you not glitched right now? Did you take damage? Are you? Okay. Just making sure. Wait, are you? Wait, where are you right now? You're not even here. You left. Alright, because it says you left. Oh my god. Yeah, so did I somehow. Okay, I'm gonna